Hi, today we'll be taking a look at Gokuldas Exports Limited, one of India's largest apparel exporters. Gokuldas Exports is one of India's leading apparel exporters, with an annual capacity of over 36 million pieces. It is engaged in the business of design, manufacture, and sale of a wide range of garments for men, women, and children, and caters to the needs of several leading international fashion brands and retailers. Let's get started on the stock analysis of Gokuldas Exports Limited. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, a SEBI-registered investment services group. We offer stocks, mutual funds, portfolio management services, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. To stay up to date on the latest trends and insights, subscribe to our channel. Let's begin with a brief introduction. Gokuldas Exports is a leading Indian apparel exporter, with a global presence in over 20 countries. The company was founded in 1947 by Jamandas Hinduja and his two brothers after they moved their trading business to India following the partition. In 1979, the business was split among the three brothers, with Jamandas Hinduja taking the lead of Gokuldas Exports. From 2007 to 2009, the Hinduja family sold a 68% stake in Gokuldas Exports to the Blackstone private equity firm. However, in 2017, Matthew Syriac, a director at Blackstone, bought a controlling stake in the company from Blackstone under the name Clear Wealth Consultancy Limited. Let's have an outlook on its industry. Market share is shifting. Geopolitical tensions and rising labor costs are propelling a potential shift away from China as the dominant player in textile apparel exports. Major brands are diversifying. Recognizing the need to mitigate risk and also reduce dependence on the single market, major brands are actively diversifying their sourcing strategies and decreasing their reliance on China. Consolidation of supplier base and emphasis on sustainability. Leading apparel brands are increasingly consolidating their supply chain and are also prioritizing collaboration with a select number of vertically integrated suppliers. Let's see some of the world's leading clothing brands that trust Gokuldas Exports. Gokuldas Exports customers include some of the biggest names in the global apparel industry, such as Gap, Marks & Spencer, Puma, Banana Republic, Columbia Sportswear Company, Carhartt, Old Navy, Walmart, Abercrombie & Fitch, JCPenney, Mountain Hardwear, Bestseller, Carrefour, Adidas, H&M, and TJ Maxx. Let's take a look at the value chain of Gokuldas Exports. Gokuldas Exports is a fully integrated apparel company, with operations spanning the entire value chain, from design and development to finishing and logistics. The company has a strong focus on quality and innovation at every stage of the value chain, which allows it to provide its customers with high-quality products at competitive prices. Now, let's take a look at Gokuldas Exports revenue segments. First, geography-wise revenue. The graph shows that North America is the largest source of revenue for Gokuldas with 84.30%, which remains constant in the financial year 2022 and financial year 2023. This is followed by Asia, with 11.3% in the financial year 2022 and 11.4% in the financial year 2023. Europe is the third largest source of revenue with 4.2% in FY22 and 4% in the financial year 2023, while the rest of the world accounts for 0.2% in the financial year 2022 and 0.3% in the financial year 2023. Second, product-wise revenue. This graph shows that the highest revenue comes from fashion wear, accounting for 39% of revenue in the financial year 2022 and 46% in the financial year 2023. The second highest is outerwear, accounting for 40% of revenue in the financial year 2022 and 36% in the financial year 2023. The remaining, which includes bottom wear and sportswear, both account for 10% in the financial year 2022 and 9% in the financial year 2023 respectively. Now, let's take a look at the management who are responsible for Gokuldas Exports operations. Matthew Syriac is a highly accomplished and experienced business leader with a strong track record of success in a variety of industries. He holds a bachelor's degree in engineering and an MBA from the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Matthew is currently working with Florentree Advisors, but he has also held senior positions at Blackstone India, Bank of America, and Tata Motors. Sivaramakrishnan Ganpati is a highly experienced business leader with a proven track record of success in the telecommunications industry. He has over 21 years of experience, including 10 years as the Chief Operating Officer of Idea Cellular. He has done his postgraduate diploma in management from IIM, Bangalore and a Bachelor of Technology degree in mechanical engineering from NIT. Now, let's take a look at the shareholding pattern of Gokaldas Exports. The public has the largest stake in the company, at 40.4%. The mutual funds have the second largest stake in Gokaldas Exports, at 26.3%. Foreign institutional investors have the third largest stake in Gokaldas Exports, at 16.2%. The promoters have the fourth largest stake in Gokaldas Exports, at 11.1%. Other institutions have a 6% stake in Gokaldas Exports. Now, let's take a look at the financial performance of Gokaldas Exports Limited. The table shows the financial performance of Gokaldas Exports from the financial year 2014 to 2023. The company's net sales have grown from 1,131 crore rupees in the financial year 2014 to 2,222 crore rupees in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 7.79% over the past 10 years. The company's PAT has grown from a loss of 7 crores in the financial year 2014 to 173 crore rupees in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 21.21% over the past 10 years. The company's return on equity has improved from negative 5.4% in the financial year 2014 to 19.5% in the financial year 2023. The company's debt-to-equity ratio has decreased from 2.5 times in the financial year 2014 to 0.2 times in the financial year 2023. Now, let's hear what the management has to say about the company's prospects. In the second half of the financial year 2022, the company has set up 2 units in Karnataka which has a potential annual revenue of 160 crore rupees and in Tamil Nadu with a potential revenue of 70 crores. The company is further doing a capex of 350 crore rupees till the financial year 2025 which will have the potential to generate incremental revenues worth 1,300 crore rupees. In August of 2023, the company also did a $55 million acquisition of Atreco Group. The company's new manufacturing unit in Madhya Pradesh started commercial production and is expected the production to ramp up in the next 9 months. Global retail offtake has been slow in apparel import data showing a year-on-year decline for the first half. Weak retail demand in autumn and winter due to inflationary trend, high interest rates and a mild winter. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content. In the comments below, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.